This is a Canon MF269DW laser printer. I'm going to be changing the toner cartridge on it. It's been having its error for a very long time. What's the error? Can you even see? I don't know. Status monitor, error information, toner, end of life. But there's still life to it. We're going to rebuild this one. But simply to do it, I want to power it down and leave it open. Open this up. Look, open. This goes right up. Boom. Open that part up. Then there's a door. Another door. How did I get this open? Like this. That's the door. Then you can remove the toner cartridge. It just has a little handle. You pull. Old toner cartridge. Feels very light. There's a chip in the cartridge. You see, that's what you need when you rebuild it. Right there. You can rebuild this though. We're going to put it on the side. It feels very light. There's not much in here at all. Okay. The toner cartridge it takes is a 051, but you can get the high yield one, also works. 051H, high yield, a little more money. Look, seal, brand new. For imageCLASS, there you go, MF260, there's your numbers, works on more than one. Open it up. Opening, 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 opening. 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 First time opening one. How do I get it more open? To go like that. Oh, I got toner on me. Cartridge leaking. That's a nice little thing. Does it come with a chip? Some people are saying that it did not come with a chip or current chip shortage. No, it has a chip. Okay, now we can insert the cartridge into the printer. Directions. No directions in the box, some directions in the box. I like that. That's good for your old cartridge if you're planning on rebuilding it. Do not touch this, as it says in the directions. Do not touch. I think it goes in this way or this way. I totally forget. I just totally forgot how it goes in. Oh, it goes in like this. Boom. In. In. Now, close this. Ouch, don't slam it. Don't slam it, bro. And then we can go like this. And we should not have any error. The printer wants you to follow the directions. I didn't do that. First time changing it. Yeah, I did. I did. Broken. We broke it. Okay, I just had to recognize it. And it should be good now. Yes, resume. There is paper in the drawer. You can't see with this, the glaring thing. For the last, I got like 1,000 something out of this. Oh, come on. It's doing a test print. Oh, you see, I wasn't using this printer and I changed the cartridge, and you see that it's just doing jobs now. So, it's working. That's how you change your toner cartridge. Pretty easy. It's basically open this, open the other drawer, put the new one in, and have a good one. That's my simple video. If you didn't know how it came out, simply open the lid and open the other thing like I showed you. And keep this. We're going to try to rebuild this. It needs a new chip. Where's the chip again? Don't touch that. Don't touch it. It needs a new chip. And that's why I did touch it on the old one. Oh no, I broke it. First time doing it. So again, we will go through the steps. You'll open this. You'll open this. Pull that out. Push it back in. Close this. And you're done. It's that easy. And then you won't have the annoying error anymore. Yeah, next thing we're going to try to rebuild the other toner. Will it work? Will it not? I'm not sure. But we'll try. If not, yeah. Got like 1,000, 1,200, something like that. 1,300 out of it. I just got really tired of the error though on it. You probably won't have the error anymore, right? No error, and I'll go back to sleep mode most likely. Hopefully. That thing's been on for like a month. It's gonna burn the screen. they force you to buy the toner. Like, oh yeah, keep using it. You know, oh, I mean, keep replacing it, replace it. Don't stop using it. But you can get like 200 more pages out of the toner cartridges I have done. All right, have a good one.